In this tutorial, you will learn how MindsDB integrates databases with pre-trained natural language models from Hugging Face, how to extract meaning from a sample database's text data, and how to convert that meaning into valuable insights with a sentiment analysis example. And at the end of this tutorial, you will be able to deploy NLP models on your own data. Let's begin. To get started with MindsDB, go to cloud.mindsdb.com, sign up for the free trial account, and you will be signed in automatically. In the Integrations tab, you'll find over 70 different databases and data platforms that work with MindsDB, which you can try with your own data after completing this tutorial. Throughout this tutorial, we will provide demo data and code samples to enter into the MindsDB SQL editor that you can copy and execute. First step, connect to the MindsDB public demo database called ExampleDB. Copy the Create Database code, paste it into the MindsDB SQL editor, and press Run. Next, let's see the demo data used in this example. Run the select command from the user comments table and observe the output. Now, let's run the Create Model command. MindsDB will create a model called Sentiment Classifier that will predict sentiment using the parameters specified, like the engine, the task type, and the name of pre-trained machine learning model from Hugging Face repository. Please note that the input column name should match the column name from the demo table you have seen in the previous step. To check the status of the model, run the command to select from MindsDB models. It may take a minute or two to download and provision the model. When the status shows complete, proceed to the next step. Let's test the model. It behaves like a regular database table and can be queried with standard SQL commands. Run a Select All command, providing any text in the Where clause. In our example, the model classified the sentiment correctly. It also provides an Explain column with information about the probabilities of all sentiments, which is helpful for testing. Finally, let's apply sentiment analysis to the user comments demo table. Use the command to join this table with the model, which will add the sentiment labels to the whole array. And that's all. In this tutorial, you have learned how MindsDB integrates databases with pre-trained natural language models from Hugging Face, how to extract meaning from a sample database's text data, and how to convert that meaning into valuable insights with a sentiment analysis example. Now you can deploy NLP models on your own data. Get started with MindsDB at no cost today at mindsdb.com.